Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've got this old computer desk chair. The seat all broke off and then that's gone now. So I've got these two pieces of wood, and I'm just getting the countersink drill bit on there. And it just saves wasting money on buying a new chair. Screw them down, fasten these together. And then, so this is going to be the bottom of the chair. Clean up the rusty water after. And then all I'm going to do is get the same size screws I just used. But this time with a washer. So it holds this in. So it holds the chair to this piece of wood. Just try it, just eyeball the squareness because it's underneath anyway, so you're not going to see it. And then whack another screw in this side. The reason I'm not countersinking in that this time, so obviously it's long taking that on and off, but these are good screws anyway, turbo gold screws, so you don't really need to pre-drill. But if you're going to be sinking the dovetail top bit of the screw, which is shaped like a dovetail, could split it even though they're good screws. So I just countersink first, but you don't actually need like a drill bit with these screws, so it's all right. And then turn around, that one split it a little bit, and some more washers out, because obviously I've got my dremel set up all here with the flex shaft on it and that, but when they're standing up with your dremel and you're looking down, kinking your neck, and then your mask, you get your mask nice and comfortable on the back of your neck, and then you look down and it's like your sleeve, innit? The strap's going to move and it just gets annoying and starts to like hurt your neck or whatever. So make this chair comfortable, more work done in comfort. Last but not least, just enough force. Obviously I went too much there and broke it, but there we go. Clean all that rusty water up after. But we got a chair. Yeah man. Goes down and that. Up. Boom. Living the dream. Bit of grease on the wheels. There we go. Free chair. All it needs now is a bit of cushion on there. Whoop, whoop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Appreciate it. See you on the next one. Thought I'd just quickly show you the countersink bit that I used because you couldn't really see it in the video. That's the drills, and what I've been using is that as a seat with a bit of towel on top of it, so obviously it's not very comfortable. But then to do Dremel, I've been standing with the flex shaft here, but now I'm going to change it so move all these toolboxes and that out of the way. I'm chilling over here. Literally, this is just my nan's old table. I had like the poles going down it, so these are the poles, but they were a lot bigger. So what I do with the poles that were between it, because it was like a tabletop and then another platform and then little wheels on the bottom of it, swivel wheels. But obviously I thought I took it apart and I'll use it, and there you go, we've got a seat and we've got handles, so that's the other use for it. Drill a hole in it and there you go, you've got your file handle. And I've got spare ones ready to go when I get more files or whatever. Let one get stuck in there, just throw it away once it's blunt, can't you? So yeah, there we go. Get a nice comfortable bit of cushion on there, and we've got a new Dremel station. So move the Dremel over here, you can sit down, chill, get everything sort of organised over there. And there we go. Would have cost me £75 for a chair instead. Free. Happy days. Comfortable, get more work done, not in as much pain at the end of the day. Lovely jubbly, nice and free. Please subscribe. Thanks again. See you on the next one.